Decode next week's key data with WeTrade. At 8:30 p.m. on 11th March, the U.S. February CPI data, both year-on-year and month-on-month, will be released. Recently, rising geopolitical tensions have pushed energy prices higher. Although this may not immediately be reflected in February's data, if CPI comes in above expectations, it could suggest that inflation is more persistent than previously thought. At the same time, January's core PCE annual rate is also worth watching. The January data was repeatedly delayed due to the government shutdown and will now be released at 8:30 p.m. on 13 March. If the figure remains elevated, it could reinforce expectations that interest rates will stay higher for longer. At 10:30 p.m. on the 11th March, the U.S. EIA crude oil inventories for the week ending 6 March will be released. In early March, the situation in the Middle East suddenly escalated, disrupting transport through the Strait of Hormuz. As one of the world's key oil routes, the disruption pushed international oil prices sharply higher in the short term. If the latest data shows a noticeable decline in inventories, it could further reinforce expectations of tightening supply. At 8:30 p.m. on 12 March, the U.S. initial jobless claims for the week ending 7 March will be released. In recent weeks, the figure has hovered just above 200,000, slightly higher than at the start of the year. If claims continue to rise while inflation remains elevated, the market may have to reassess the risk of stagflation. As economic data and geopolitical tensions intertwine, this becomes not only a test of inflation's resilience, but also a test of the stability of global supply chains. Market volatility may intensify as key variables are revealed one by one.